Good day, welcome to my other channel. Well, as you can see, we have got someone else who has decided that they wanted to use us to complete. They had already started their building, so we are now just taking over from the Ringbeam. So we are actually working on the Ringbeam. There have been so many mistakes that we can see, but hey, it's already too late. We're not going to be, you can't dwell on the past. Like here, they've been putting too much mortar on the plastic of when they were doing the brickwork, showing that these people were not taking care when they were doing the brickwork. So we are taking over, and the person said that he had already given them the money. There's some places whereby you can actually see they were not filling up properly, or the other areas when we look at it properly whereby it is not straight, the walls are not straight. But now these are things which we cannot correct, or if we want to correct, we need to demolish, and it's not very easy to tell someone that we need to demolish their house. So we're just going to leave it at where we are, and we're just going to finish off. He had already paid them for the brickwork, which they did not complete. So we are going to finish the brickwork for them. And right now, as we do the ring beam, we will then see in the next few days that we'll also start doing the brickwork, the areas that have not been finished. The wire we have already, as I've shown you, that is the wire that we have done. So these are mainly the rooms. This is a bedroom. Here is another bedroom that is here, that hopefully because of the sun you cannot see well. So here is, we're in the middle of the corridor. So this is someone's house, but also at the same time, at the present moment, they will want to use it as an income property. So this is a bedroom, this is the toilet, and this is the shower room. So these are the three. This is an area that needs to be built up. There's not been any brickwork that has been done there. So as you can see, there's a gentleman who's doing the timber for the roofing and for the ring beam, and we'll be working on that to finish. In here is the kitchen. This is the kitchen area, which is still to be built, and through here is the master bedroom with its in-suite. So these are the areas that still need to be built. There's still a lot of brickwork that needs to be done, and here is another bedroom. So we are looking at this project, us taking over, as we have taken over it. It is some time for us to complete. We are just, as I said, we work with the clients' funding. If they do not have funds, we will stop and continue. But for right now, where we have agreed to end is the after the ring beam, we'll do the brickwork. After that brickwork, then we will see if they can do the roof. If they can do the roof, we will then go ahead and do the roof. But if they can't do the roof, we'll wait until they're ready. But for right now, it's the ring beam plus the brickwork on top, and then after that we will then. But at the present moment, there are things which we can see which can then be corrected later on, and us correcting them later on will just mean that we are correcting them later on using mortar. But this is where we are. So this is a new project for us. We've started it this week. Thank you very much. Until next time, have a good day. As we were continuing with this, we have now reached to the roof plate area, whereby we have now finished the brickwork. We have finished the brickwork all the way to the roof plate. So here at this point is whereby the person now needs to put in the roof, so that the house has got a Dutch style roof. Therefore, now from here, there's no more real brickwork. It is now all about putting the woodworking and putting the trusses which need to be placed for this to be done. So we have completed the brickwork, and as you can see, we've got patches whereby we have got some of these bricks, because they had run out of bricks, and these bricks where they were supposed to come from is very far. So we found some local person who are selling local bricks. In fact, the next door neighbor sold him a few bricks for them to complete these areas. So we have managed to complete, and we have finished everything, all the brickwork required. So now it is about the roof work, the roof, and after the roof we then start plastering. That is now we have, for now I don't see us moving any further. This is a toilet. This is the bathroom and shower. This is for the common. So the 2 rooms have actually come out of 3 other rooms. Those are 3 bedrooms. And then from there we come through. Here is another bedroom in here that is in this place, and it's altogether 5 bedrooms, and this is the kitchen that is going to be done. So right now we have completed. We now wait for them to say that now we have got more money, or they are ready to go to the next stage. And this is the master bedroom with in-suite. So we have done, and we've also done a bit of housekeeping, of cleaning. All the little that is left needs to then just be cleaned as we go along. But we have got to the where we had agreed to get to this house. So that is something that we need to always think about, agreement of where we arrive and where we have. So this is where we are on this house. So we are complete, and we are happy with what has been done. And I just believe that now it's about them being able to find more resources to go the next stage. And the next stage that is needed here is to start off doing the roof, then the plastering of inside and outside, and then plastering of inside and outside of this building, as you can see how big it is. And then we see what is next. Then the plumbing works, and then the electrical. First fix electrical, and then plastering. So there's still a lot of work to be done, but what we have agreed on, we have delivered to where we agreed that we were going to finish off for the time being. From here we wait for them to do the roofing, and then if they want us to come back, we'll come back and complete. Well, I think this is it for this video. Until the next video of this house, please subscribe, like, and follow us on the channel. Have a good day.